That's the promise of micro-investing apps like Raiz. But with all the investment hype, it's natural to wonder, can you really make money with Raiz? The answer, like most things in finance, isn't a simple yes or no. It depends on a few key factors. So, buckle up and let's dive into the world of Raiz returns. First things first, how does Raiz work? Imagine you buy a coffee every day. With Raiz, you can connect your debit card and round up those daily purchases to the nearest dollar. Those spare cents and dollars get invested automatically into a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance. Raiz offers different investment options, from conservative to aggressive, so you can choose how much risk you're comfortable with. But how much money can you really make? Here's the thing, Raiz isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about slow and steady growth. Your earnings come from two main sources. Market growth, this is where your money gets invested in stocks, bonds, and other assets. The hope is that over time, the value of those assets will increase, bringing you returns. Compound interest, this is basically earning interest on your interest. The longer your money stays invested and keeps growing, the faster it accumulates. Now, the exact amount you earn depends on several factors. Investment amount, the more you invest, the more potential for growth. Investment time frame, the longer you leave your money invested, the more time it has to grow through market fluctuations. Investment portfolio, a more aggressive portfolio with stocks has the potential for higher returns, but also carries more risk. Let's get real, what kind of returns are we talking about? Raiz doesn't publish specific guaranteed returns because the market constantly fluctuates. However, they do report historical performance based on their different portfolios. For example, their balanced portfolio, which is a mix of stocks and bonds, has historically averaged around 7% annual returns. That's a decent return, but remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Here's the not-so-fun part, fees. Raiz charges fees, which can eat into your returns. These fees typically range from 0.25% to 1.25% per year, depending on your account type. There are also account management fees and potentially currency conversion fees for international investments. Make sure you factor these fees into your calculations when considering your potential earnings. So, is Raiz worth it? That depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Here's when Raiz might be a good fit. You're a beginner investor looking for a simple way to get started. You want to automate your savings and investing. You're comfortable with small, consistent investments. However, Raiz might not be the best option if you're looking for high, guaranteed returns. You have a low risk tolerance and can't handle market fluctuations. You already have a robust investment strategy. The bottom line. Raiz can be a helpful tool for growing your wealth over time, but it's not a magic bullet. Do your research, understand the fees, and choose an investment portfolio that aligns with your goals. Remember, consistent investing and a long-term perspective are key to success with Raiz, or any investment platform for that matter. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.